Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we are going to talk about one stock for buy and one stock for sell for November 1st, that is Tuesday friends. We are also going to discuss about BHL friends. Okay, so before we proceed, what happened to our previous day's recommendations is something that we are going to talk about. Okay, we gave NTPC for a buy and okay, NTPC is not pulled up yet. Yes, NTPC was given for a buy and SBI Life was given for a buy, and you can see SBI Life has started its journey from here to here. If I draw a simple arrow, it has started here and it has gone up. So very well, very close to the target. This would have been our first target, but we opened right above the target. There were two places where we could enter. Place number one was this one here, and place number two was this one, and straight upwards friends. This can be our target, which will be achieved probably tomorrow. And the sell stock was BPCL. If I pull up the chart for BPCL, you can see first it's a candle itself went straight down. Will we enter in such downfall? No. So again we got entry somewhere here. There was a clear downtrend. Next entry was here. If you simply draw a arrow from the beginning till somewhere here, you can see we nicely fell. Okay, this was a very good fall followed by a retracement. Okay, coming to targets friends, if you can see, this is where we started. We went below this quite a few times. This was your target and this was your target. Any of these targets were not achieved, but because of a gap up and a fall, a good momentum could have been captured here. Okay, you can go ahead and see the video for further details as to why we gave it for a buy if you are looking forward to learn something friends. Okay, the video is on the channel, you can go ahead and see that. And if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon so that you would not miss out on any updates or any videos that I am posting on the channel friends. Coming to Nifty, we discussed that we are sideways to bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and that's exactly how it behaved. Bullishness followed by complete day of sideways, and after 3 o'clock is when it went bullish again. Bank Nifty story little different. It faced its resistance here, and at the resistance it could not go ahead and hit the resistance and go further up, but it stayed somewhere very close to the resistance itself. Our view about Bank Nifty and Nifty is still positive, no questions on that. Coming to the next part friends. Now what would happen tomorrow? Now you can see in Bank Nifty, this is a trend line. Okay, on break of this is what we can create sell positions, but I would say don't create sell positions at this trend line immediately. Wait for this levels to be broken. What are the levels? The levels are 41,377 levels. If you see these levels broken, that is when at a retest is when you can create a sell position somewhere like this, and then it will fall. Otherwise we are positive on it. Once this particular trend line is broken, you can easily achieve these two this target, which is 41,600 friends, about 200 points upwards. That is Bank Nifty. Talking about Nifty, it closed at a very strong place. Do we have any positions above that? The answer is yes. There are resistances above that. There is no stop until the top now friends. Where is the top? 18,231. Finally today we got a closing above 18,000. Okay, coming back to 5 minutes, when can we create sell positions? Look at this, friends. Sell positions here can be created at this trend line. Okay, once this trend line is broken, that's when we can create sell positions. Will it happen immediately? I don't think so. It is super bullish currently. It might retrace a little and continue its journey upwards. How can we create positions in Nifty? Simple, we'll use Fibbo from recent swing low to the top, which is today's top. You can see this 38.2 levels, which is today's start or today's 915 candle low, is where we can create buy positions. We can create buy positions even at 17,992, which is the 23.6 levels. And of course, if we are starting above this, we'll still be bullish. We'll wait for some kind of setup and again go long. What will be our target? Targets are simple, friends. We see these 2 or 3 levels here. These 2-3 candles. Like for example, see the close of this candle can be our target, which is 18,144. Then this is our target, which is 18,173. This is the next target, 18,197, and the final target would be the top 18,224. Okay, I hope you understood how we are going to create positions on Bank Nifty and Nifty. Bank Nifty again, yes, we are positive at the end of the break of this trend line. We would also see a breakout here. Okay, that's when we can go ahead and create buy positions for this and this target. What are the targets? 41,610, which is about 150 points up, and 41,654, which is around 200 points upwards, friends. These would be your targets for Bank Nifty on a long side. Coming to our buy stock for tomorrow, it is NTPC, friends. Simple logic, you can see this. If I am drawing a Fibbo from recent bottom, so look, this is a kind of double bottom. If I'm drawing it from this bottom till this top, okay, it has taken its rejection exactly at 38.2. Okay, again it came to the same point and its journey continued with a kind of a double bottom pattern. There is a pattern, I'll just show it to you. See, this is your kind of double bottom pattern, from where it has created this double bottom and straight upwards, friends. Okay, so these are the two reasons. Apart from that, if you're looking at a breakout, you can see a clear breakout here followed by a retest. This red candle has got a retest, friends. Okay, I hope you're able to see that. If not, I'll just go ahead and try to darken it so that it is visible. Okay, see, this is your retest, this black line, followed by continuous upward momentum, some small retracement here and there, and again it will continue its journey upwards. What are the targets? The targets would be, first target would be this top, which is 174.2. Next target would be gap filling, which is 174.6, and the top, which is 175.15. One more thing that I would like to bring to your notice, friends, whenever there are no targets that are given, you should make sure that you see the swings which are above those levels and create and consider those at as your targets, and stop losses would be your swing lows. Okay, just follow this. This is very simple. Whenever you see a previous swing here, that would be your first target. The previous swing high is your second target. Okay, coming to our sell stock, again it is BPCL, friends, just like yesterday. Reason is simple. See, this is the top and this is your bottom. We are standing where? Exactly at 38.2. Any red candle is a good entry, friends. Telling you, any red candle can be an entry for a downward momentum, and this time your target will not be just this, it can be somewhere till here. Okay, so will this kind of a momentum happen in one day? Possibly not. So if you are entering somewhere here, you can create first target to be this area, which is 304. Second target would be 303. And the final target is what I'm giving is 299 to 300 friends. I would not wait for 300 to come. We can just go ahead and start booking from 301 and so on friends. 301.30 is what we can start booking. Okay, the reason is simple friends. When it goes below a round level, okay, usually there is a support that will act at the round level, which is at 300 in this case. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Coming to the analysis for BHL, yeah, we forgot that. So friends, if you look at it, BHL has been an uptrend continuously. Okay, now if you look at it here, what has happened is there is a kind of a breakout again followed by a retest and an attempt to go up. Now if I go ahead and look at it on a 1 hour time frame, there are no big upward candles. So what we'll do in this case is, I always do my analysis on future, but when there are no targets above that, we will go ahead and open the chart for BHL stock. Okay, here we get all those. This is on 1 day friends. We get each and everything here. Okay, so in 2016 it made this high. In 2000 we have all the data way back till 2000s. Okay, so we'll not go that far. It's simple. Look at this friends. BHL kind of made a triple bottom and started a journey upwards. Immediate targets for this would be at 80 friends. 80 would be your immediate target, first target. Okay, you can see that 80 as a first target. It started moving up. Let's go ahead and pull up few indicators here. We will pull something called MA, moving average. Simple. Or we'll pull up moving average cross. And here, because we are analyzing it on a daily time frame, we would go ahead and change this to 50 and change this to 200. Now, what this means? This means that the red line that you are seeing here, okay, this one is a 50-day moving average, and the green line is your 200-day 200 DMA, doing 200-day moving average. Yeah, I said that right. Okay, so whenever you see this crossover friends, where the 50-day moving average is crossing the 200-day moving average. When did this happen? This happened on 14th of September, around 15 days back from here. This particular cross is called a golden crossover. Golden crossover, GCO. Okay, and whenever there is a golden crossover, there is a huge upward momentum friends. Now in this case, I would also like to bring on our other indicator, which is MACD, moving average, convergence and divergence. Look at this friends. We have very good crossovers right here and here. So if you look at this crossover, considering this crossover, your target is simple at 80. Very clear. That's exactly our target was coming when we were analyzing without any indicators. So 80 can be your easy target, which is somewhere here, 78 to 80. And when such a crossover comes, golden crossover comes, the stock is very, very bullish friends. Okay, now I would not suggest you to take entries at these big candles, at this candle especially today, tomorrow, because we see something called a doji candle here. Okay, so don't enter here because there can be a trend reversal. Will the trend go ahead and fall straight? The answer is no. This 50-day moving average will act like a support. What can be done to take positions is our best friend Fibo from the bottom to the recent top, which is here. Any entry at 66.9 or 62. 62 would be the best possible entry in this case. Even if you are getting it at 66.9, that is also a best entry friends. But getting it at that levels is very difficult. It will not happen in a day. So we'll consider another swing here. This is also your swing from this low. It started retraced and went up. Okay, so first entry will be at 70.05 and best entry would be at 67.16 friends. So if you are able to get BHL at any of these levels, right place to enter. People who already have BHL can wait for a red candle before they can book profits, or they can go ahead and wait for the swing high, that is 80 rupees friends. I hope I made my analysis very clear on BHL. When will you create a sell position? Good question. We would not be creating a sell position in BHL at this point of time. Reason being, the next trend line itself is somewhere here friends. Okay, so BHL has to fall so much, followed by a retracement and then a fall, which is not so much expected at this point of time friends, when it is going properly positive. Okay, I hope you understood the logic, and we would be closing the video with our closing music. We missed out on our opening music in this video. That's okay, doesn't matter. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you have still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you would not miss out on any updates that I'm posting on the channel friends. And the video will be concluded with our closing music.